Local governments in the Philippines are well prepared for the potential impacts of La Nina phenomenon. According to the Department of Interior and Local Government, Catherine Landicho has the details.
According to an official of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, local governments in the Philippines are ready to address the possible impact of the La Nina phenomenon. DILG Undersecretary Marlo Iringan said that in their assessment, the LGUs are prepared for the coming La Nina.
Ay handa po yung ating mga lokal na pamahalaan sa darating na La Nina.
The DILG has already issued directives to the LGUs through Memorandum Circular which contains preparations and measures for the coming rainy season, including Upland Tag-Ulan and Listo sa Tag-Ulan.
At ito ay ang patnubay ng kagawaran ay nandoon sa Memorandum Circular 2019-94. At ang paksa ay Upland Tag-Ulan, Preparedness Measures for the Rainy Season. At sa ating DILG Memorandum Circular 2020-125, Listo sa Tag-Ulan, Preparedness Measures for Local Government Units.
Iringan emphasized the importance of meeting local council in disaster risk reduction management, doing pre-disaster risk assessment and developing action plan and contingency measures. LGUs were also advised to coordinate closely with PAG-ASA and the Department of the Environment and Natural Resources, or DNR, as well as update hazard maps with the DNR Mines and Geoscience Bureau, or MGB. Meanwhile, Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro Jr., who chairs the task force El Nino, has instructed the said task force to begin preparations for the possible onset of the La Nina phenomenon next month. According to PAG-ASA, La Nina may develop during June, July, August, bringing more than normal rainfall conditions in the last quarter of the year and the first month of the year. This is Catherine Landicho for URTV News.